And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friend, viewer, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. And what I will be trying right now, and for the very first time, is Dairy Queen's new batter cookie dough blizzard. So they literally just dropped this for probably a week ago. No, 2 days ago, sorry. They dropped something else a week ago. So I will be trying this and ranking it just to see just how we are sitting, and just by the look at it, it looks delicious. So let me just say this before I jump into the video. So this is rotated. So I'm not sure if they're gonna have this because they had the Reese's one. I've tried the Reese's one and now that's no longer there. So I guess this replaced it. So it is limited edition, so you might want to get it before it's gone. Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. So we will be trying it and ranking it just to see just how Dairy Queen is doing with this blizzard. If you don't know what Dairy Queen is, if you're from the States or Jamaica or somewhere else, it's a blizzard where it's like I was about to say dairy product, but it's more for desserts. So it's not an ice cream. It's something similar to ice cream, like hard ice cream. So we will be trying it and ranking it just to see just how it is sitting basically. Man, this looks so tasty. So batter cookie dough blizzard. That's a weird name in my opinion, but I want to see if the taste is gonna be magnificent. Because most times it's sweet and nice. So let's see it's gonna be delivering. So let's jump into it right now because this is tempting me. Mm. 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 I think they're like some, well, it did say cookie. Huh. I think there's some chocolate. Okay, Dairy Queen. Okay, okay, I see you. Okay. I see what you're doing, Dairy Queen. I see you. Mm. This is literally busting. Mm-hmm. I think this is actually better than the Reese's one and the cotton candy one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cookies inside of it too. Okay. Or chocolate. Well, has to be cookie. Okay. One more. This last one. Mm. I give this 9 out of 10. Like the blizzard itself is not too sweet, but the cookie that's inside it is sweet. So I think it's like loaded with it. Yeah, It's loaded, yeah. It's loaded with it. But 9 out of 10, hands down. I would recommend you get this before it's gone, because sooner or later they're going to rotate this out and they're going to bring something in. And funny story, I woke up this morning. I was about to say I was driving by, but no, that was for something else. So I woke up this morning and I saw the ad that this came out. No, not 2 days ago. This came out today. I think it's today or yesterday. I saw the ad this morning. So I would say either yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm not quite sure. But by the time you guys see this video, it's going to be at least a week or two. I normally say this. Sorry. Already been digested. I normally say this because I know I make a bunch of videos. So this came out 2 days ago, if not less, because I saw it this morning when I wake up. I didn't see it the day before. I literally woke up and then I saw the ad with it. So I was like, oh, Dairy Queen dropped something new. Let me go try it, because last month or a couple weeks ago they had the Reese's one. So I already tried that one. So now they have this. And I'm not sure if they have the Reese's one anymore. I think they substituted for this, because same thing as the cotton candy, so they rotated. So limited edition. So I would recommend you get it before it's gone. It's literally busting. Literally, no joke. So if you're a fan of desserts and there's a Dairy Queen by you, I would recommend you try this. It's really, really good. Really, really, really good. So, like I say, get it before it's gone. Remember, because maybe next week, no, not saying next week, maybe next month they will have something different. And you don't want to miss it. So, there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your boy will be back trying and doing a bunch of other stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.